Hello YouTube, episode 6 of the Tifway 419 versus Arden 15 comparison. If you guys are just new to the series, what this is a week-by-week comparison of two different types of Bermuda. I'm trying to show the differences of how Tifway 419 compares to Arden 15/Princess 77 when it comes to cool weather tolerance. So what I'm hoping to show is how they go into dormancy at different rates. So let's take a look at the lawn at this angle. Guys, you're really starting to see some differences in color now as far as like how the grasses are falling off. You can see a slightly dark spot like right in here, like a dark band right in here. It's a little bit lighter here, and then it's also darker here. When I get to the other side and show you guys from another angle, you'll be able to see it a bit better. But the differences are really starting to become apparent as far as how the grass is changing color. Now here's the thing, I am complaining. I really would like to look at the lawn to say green, a lot longer. But if we compare my lawn to other lawns, you can see the color difference. I'll just sit here on the boundary line. You can see how green and then how other lawns are falling off. So if you ever wondered if carbon works, if following a good fertilization program works as far to keep your soil where it needs to be, there's your proof right there. Both of these lawns are Tifway 419. Mine just gets babied a whole lot more. As far as the spot that started this whole overseeding project, the part that's responsible for it, the tree area is blending in a lot better. So in recent years, around this time of the year, where the tree used to be really stood out a lot. So the fact that I'm having a little bit harder time finding it, so I can find it for you guys, so you guys can spot it. Yeah, I think right in there. There it is. It shows that the Arden 15 is spreading a lot more, because in recent years when I first overseeded Princess 77 in November, it was really easy to spot where the grass color differences were based on where the different type of Tifway 419 that was put down to patch where that tree used to be, but now it's getting harder and harder. As far as our comparison, I want to give you guys weekly to show you the color differences. Again, right side, everything from here on over, that is your Arden 15, where it's really grown in and done very well. There's a little bit of a kind of a splotchy band in here where it's a blend of Arden 15 and Tifway 419. And then over here to the left is again Tifway 419, Arden 15 and your Princess 77. So it's like darker, a little bit lighter, kind of a blend, and then a lot of Arden 15. So in this area it took really well. So for next year, as far as overseeding goes, this is going to be the spot that I'm really going to target to make sure that I do everything I can to get really good germination when I overseed again with Arden 15. Let's move on to the Swale area. You guys can also give you guys a side shot of Alex's lawn. He just mowed. His lawn's looking pretty solid too. It's falling off really nicely. Again, his lawn got pretty much the same program that I did. Mine did this year, and his has done really well. The Swale area is starting to lose a little bit of color too. I wouldn't say necessarily that I'd call that yellow, but it's definitely losing its pop as far as the deep green we had just, say, a month or so ago. Vanity strip is still holding on, but it's definitely not as vibrant as it was. And now finally, the front lawn. Now here's the thing, guys, the front lawn, in my eyes, actually one of the better looking parts of the lawn right now, which normally isn't the case. The front lawn's actually holding on pretty well, right? If you take a look at this, we'll walk you guys through here. Overall, the color is still fairly even. I mean, this spot here where the tree used to be, there's a little bit of color difference there, but overall, not bad. I will take it. Well, guys, I hope you guys found this useful. Again, this is episode 6. You can stay tuned in. Next week, episode 7 will be a thing. We got a few nights of cooler weather. When I say cooler weather, I think we got down in the 40s a couple of nights this week. So if that keeps happening, you're going to expect to see the grass fall off a lot sooner, so a lot more. So stay tuned. If you guys are interested in knowing whether or not you should go with Arden 15 for your overseeding project or a lawn renovation project, you're getting to see two different types of Bermuda fight against each other to go into dormancy. You get to see them side by side, which is kind of cool. And I hope you guys have found this useful. If you are, consider subscribing. Also share this content with others. And just stay tuned for next week, guys. I'm really hoping you guys are enjoying this. See you guys next time. Have an amazing day.